Hello, good afternoon. My name is Veliz. I'm an architect. I'm working in a small office in Valencia. We work with the strength of a wide and cohesive team of interdisciplinary professionals working together to fit all the needed of our client in price and in quality. We have a high commitment with environment and society, and we believe really that we can improve through design and collaboration our way of life. We was involved in Pioneer into Practice project last year. At the regional placement, we was working with 2ACAD. It's a global group. It's a firm company working with technological tools for industry and manufacturing in the field of architecture, engineering and construction, also energy performance of buildings, computer graphic and 3D animations, also infrastructures and HIS. The purpose of the project developed during the VelizPIP program was to create and optimize its workflow in the early stage of the architectural project. Focuses on global information technology applied to major service energy strategy in building design, construction and maintenance of buildings. This work will contribute with the general aim of 2ACAD if it became in a useful tool for architects in the early stage of the design process, and together with the software allow them to improve their workflow, saving costs, achieving more efficiency and global competitiveness in the design and retrofitting of low carbon building. The result of the work was, for example, the most immediately, the last week we ended the first training activity in collaboration with the Valencia Institute of Building, also a host in a big program, and the Polytechnic University of Valencia, working to spread the workflow done during the regional exchange experience, and now we are planning further collaboration with the University Jaume I in Castellón and with the University of Alicante to replicate the same activity also in the framework of the VelizPIP program, because Teresa Gallego in Castellón was a host and Juan Antonio Ferri in Alicante was another pioneer, and in the workshop and Crucible we meet us and we identified the opportunity to implementing our training activity in the university. At the international exchange in the other part of the program in October, we was in Frankfurt by Arquitectura in Dialogue. It's a small office located in Sachsenhausen, Frankfurt, an open space of interdisciplinary professional collaboration with the Energy Department of Frankfurt City Council. Climate Tour, the principal aim of that company, want to share with a specialized and international audience the experience of climate change in Frankfurt. Guided tour to highlight energy efficient buildings, to sustainable skyscrapers, green office building, passive house, particularly energy efficient planned neighborhood, and climate friendly energy supply facility. The principal goal of my placement was to assist in the organization and implementation of Climate Tour, also to familiarize it with certain projects and to inform the visiting group about it. After tours, task was to analyze and suggest ideas to improve the effectiveness of technical and marketing issues for the future development of the tour, and also make suggestions for the catalog of sustainable building and projects they will be reviewed. The result for us, and the most important thing, was that we bring to Valencia for our day-to-day professional practice, and also for our training activity to share with our students a lot of new knowledge we could get during these months, visiting a lot of buildings, having a lot of meeting with authority, enterprises working on sustainable building. We learned a lot about the financial sector, how public and private stakeholders work together in the rehabilitation process, and also which are the technical systems used in building energy retrofitting. And we bring to Valencia a new chance to develop new business lines inside our business model, in collaboration with Energy House, is an architectural office in Barcelona, that worked with my host in Frankfurt, and we organized a tour from Spain to Frankfurt, open for all professionals in the building sector to know very near about the best practice in Frankfurt in building sector, and in the path to low carbon growth. The aim is to share best practice from Frankfurt and to spread in our country the advancing experience they have in building low carbon energy building. Okay, the other important thing we was working on during the first workshop in Valencia, and the first crucible in the regional stage of the project, we developed an assignment around sustainable building, and a group of 9 pioneers working together in an idea that was born in this project. Our team was selected by the regional culture to participate in the Venture competition in the Bologna festival, and was a very interesting experience shared with a lot of professionals with high expertise in the field of sustainable building. And after Bologna festival, where we have the opportunity to share with pioneers from all regions of Europe involved in this program, we continue working in the project. So I think it's all. Thank you for your attention, and I invite you to go inside Pioneer into practice, because it's a really great program. You will know a lot of interesting people, you will learn a lot, and you will find a lot of opportunity in the path to low carbon growth. Thank you, bye.